Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel.
Today we're in Universal Studios and we'll be doing Dan.
Today, as you can see right behind us, the crowd continues to pour into Universal Studios. It is Christmas time, guys, and almost New Year's week.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah, the crowd level that we see on pictures and in social media, it seems like it had picked up. And we're here just basically to document our day over here and show you guys how long are the waiting time here at Universal Studios. We're going to show you basically everything that you need to know inside of Universal Studios in case you decide to come here in the next few days or even next year. When, for the holiday season. But anyways, if you happen to be brand new here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventures. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Universal Studios and any other theme park. With that said, please consider becoming part of this family by simply
subscribing.
And also,
smashing that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with you. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! Alrighty, family, so here we are. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, the crowd level continues to show up over here in Christmas week. So we're gonna go in there and basically show you everything that you need to know when you come here to Universal Holidays Week celebration. And here we are, guys, to be expected. Minion Mayhem happens to be at 80 minutes wait. Again, that's something normal, especially during the holidays. And Shrek 4D that is about to shut down in a matter of like 3 weeks. Can you believe that? It is 60 minutes. So here's the question. They're shutting down a ride that are actually supplying 60 minutes of overcrowd that way. So they better bring something good, right?
Hopefully.
And they better have it by next Christmas too.
Yes.
They should bring Demon Slayer.
We'll see.
I'll be happy.
Well, there you go. You got 80 minutes over here, 60 minutes in the front. It's only 1 o'clock. And this is basically the crowd level to be expected at this point. Look at here, guys. Unfortunately, the ride is down. Rip Ride Rocket, Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket happens to be down at this moment. So that would add more waiting time to the other rides. Because I can guarantee you, if it wouldn't be open, this would be at least 100 minutes. Yeah. 90 to 120 minutes easily. So, why are you geeking out? What are they showing now? Oh, okay, so Kyle is geeking out because they were showing the previews of The Secrets of Dumbledore over there. So, that's new, right, Kyla? Because the last time we came here, they were showing Sing 2. So
I haven't seen that trailer yet.
Only in theaters April 2022. So there you go.
I'm geeking out here.
Kyla's geeking out. Comment down below if you're like Kyla, who enjoys Harry Potter movies and you look forward to them. So anyway, let's see what else we find. One ride that we forgot telling you guys about was actually a race through New York from Jimmy Fallon. Happens to be at a 16-minute wait, which that's to be expected as well, especially during this season. I just want to share with you guys that this is the situation right now on Revenge of the Mummy, a ride that it will be going down also in a few weeks. I want to say 3 to 4 weeks from now. And because it's so busy, they're actually doing the virtual line. So if you're coming over here, make sure that you see the team member so you can scan the barcode. And also they do have signage over here for the virtual line. Dang, we're currently in front of Transformers The Ride 3D. And how long is the wait, guys?
60 minutes.
60 minutes, guys. 60 minutes. So they're actually doing the extended queue all the way down there underneath that pavilion. So, yep, it is a busy time here in Universal Studios. So the next ride that we decided to check out is the grandfather of all the rides, the godfather of all the rides, E.T. Adventure. How long is the wait, Carla?
50 minutes.
50 minutes. So it's a busy day for sure in here. Normally,
AT's getting the love he deserves.
yeah, normally you will find this maybe 15 to 25 minutes, so that's good. That's good. So you will expect this ride going above 50 as we get closer to New Year's Day. Hey, Carlo,
Yeah.
you want some tacos?
Yes, please.
That's the line of tacos that we have to make right over there.
I would make that line.
Ooh.
I would make that line. That's stunning.
Imagine that truck is always busy. Imagine now. And that right there is the line. This is the line to go over here to this restaurant in here in Springfield. So it's definitely a busy day in here. Hey guys, so even to go to Lad Donuts, here's the line. This is something that you don't see every day.
No.
So it is definitely a busy day, but I don't blame people. You know, they have to get those gigantic donuts. That's part of, that's tradition around here. Why not? Yeah, pro tip, guys. We were checking here for Twirl and Hurl to see the waiting time, and their digital board is not working. So sometimes they do have actual boards on the floor or A-frames to tell you, but currently it's 40 minutes. And again, this is another sign that the crowd level has picked up, because usually you can find this as a 5 to 10 minute walk on. And look at the massive amount of people that are coming this way. That's awesome. I haven't seen this since Halloween Horror Nights.
That's true.
This is what you get to see in Halloween Horror Nights. This is awesome. Good for them. Good for Universal. So here we are right on the Simpson ride. It is a 65 minutes. You know what? That's not bad, Khalil. You can find this on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Regular Saturday. There is not busy
That's like
season.
a regular, normal day.
Yeah, exactly. Like around in the
If
afternoon.
you come here and you see that, just do it.
Yeah, it's 1:54 in the afternoon. It's 65 minutes. That's not bad at all. So that definitely is something that if you see it like during this time, you go for it, because it could actually be longer than that, and it will be longer than that.
Well, yeah.
So here we are right in front of Men in Black, and how long you think it's gonna be?
75.
You guys checked that already? You cheating?
Yeah. Oh, but come
Oh yeah, okay. 75 minutes.
7, so it says
75 minutes. Now that's definitely busy for Men in Black though,
Yeah.
because usually it's not like this. But
it's
yeah,
like 5 to 15.
right, in a normal time. But this is
Well, on a busy day, it will be like 5 all the way to 45.
right. So this is normal for the holiday season. 75 minutes. There you go. All right, Kyla. The moment of truth has arrived of us escaping from reality. But
Yeah.
what do you think Escape from Gringotts is gonna be?
Okay, I'm thinking 3. 100, 120, or 125.
Judging by that crowd level that is coming this way. Look at that.
Okay, maybe 100 and...
Maybe 200. We'll see.
Maybe 200.
We shall see. Now Kyla is trying to change her estimation to 200, but again, well, Kyla, this is just like Housemaid. Unless there is like super slow season, this is a regular Saturday in here.
Okay, look, I don't like it. Maybe it's 130, 135.
We'll see. There's only one way to find out other than checking the app. But pro tip, guys, sometimes the app gives you inaccurate time. Although Universal wants you to stay on top of the app because it's easier. But we have discovered coming here that sometimes, just sometimes, the estimation of their time could be potentially off by maybe 5-10 minutes in comparison to what they're telling you in front of the ride. So keep that in mind. That's why I check both. So a little bit of pro tip for you. So from this angle, the way that I'm seeing the wait time, I thought that Kyla was wrong. And then when we step further in to see the wait time, that means that Kyla continues to be wrong, which it was 150 minutes right there for the wait time for Escape from Gringotts. Again, this is typical for this time of the year. That's despite that they had the holiday show over there, which it means once the show is over, chances are some of these people are going to continue to make this line. So that will be interesting to see. But keep that in mind. Again, you have to come over here expecting these high crowd levels and expecting that you're gonna make long lines, because this is how it's gonna be from here all the way on to past New Year's Day, or actually past Martin Luther King weekend. Here comes the tricky question: how to get out of here? Because this is definitely a lot crowded than what we're used to seeing. So it'll be interesting. Let's see. Well, we have successfully escaped Diagon Alley. So now, how long is King Cross? Anybody knows? I mean, I know on the other side, 75 minutes. 75 minutes.
It went from 170 to from Island of Matches to 75.
Yeah. So we are right in front of Fast and the Furious on the food truck that we normally go to try the Nashville chicken. This is all the line. This is just to pay. There's another huge line just to pick up their food. So incredibly busy today. Fast and Furious Supercharged. It is at 70 minutes wait right now. 70 minutes. I'll be honest with you, that's not worth 70 minutes. I don't care if it's like the only ride that I could do today and everything else is so slam. I'd rather sit over there in front of the Christmas tree and see the performance after the performance than do that ride and waste 70 minutes. And also, if you happen to be in this area and you need that virtual QR code for the Mummy, they have it right over here. So in case you miss out that opportunity back there. But this ride, definitely not a 70-minute worth waiting for. So, woof, crazy busy today.
Hola, we back.
All right, guys, so there you have it here from Universal Studios. Wow, what a busy day.
We're so busy today.
I was expecting it to be busy, but not as busy as it was been today.
I didn't think it would be that busy, but I thought it would be somewhat busy.
Yeah.
Like, not for it to be everything, almost everything 100.
Yeah. It actually, everything reminded me of Halloween Horror Nights. Like during like the middle of October, big time Halloween Horror Nights. That's how crowded and busy this is right now. So if you're coming during these holidays or planning for next holiday, make sure that you come over here expecting to wait, because you are gonna wait. Everything has a line. The bathrooms have a line.
Oh yeah.
The restaurants have a line. The carts have a line. Everything has a line. Even to take a picture with characters today has
Even
a
some
line.
of the bathrooms had a line.
Exactly. So anyway, we hope that we were able to show you around and entertain you for a little bit, but sadly this adventure has ended. With that said, we gotta remind everybody to
subscribe
and smash that like button, turn that bell notifications.
bing, and feel free to comment down below as number 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And say I'll see you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.